Did you ever need to make a general overview of your database? I'm sure you did, and if not, someday you will definitely need this in your practice. Knowing how to get the list of tables in your database is a very useful skill for everyone who works with SQL databases. In this video, I will show you step by step how to retrieve the basic information about data stored in your database. As a result, we'll have a query that gives us the full list of tables and columns in a database, plus some additional interesting stuff. So, let's begin. We'll use AdventureWorks 2017 database for this video. This is a free sample DB from Microsoft. You can easily find and download it from the web. First, let's get the list of all tables and columns in the database into a temporary table. The following query will provide it to us. You see that 4 system views are used here: tables, partitions, columns, and types. Let's run and see what we get. So, this is an ordered list of all columns in each table with basic information. We have here a schema name, table name, number of rows in a table, column name, and so on. For example, for department table we have 4 columns, and the total number of records in a table is 16. Please note that we have here a data type attribute and a data length for string types, which is also really useful. These 2 columns, sample values and data size, are intentionally left empty. We will fill them in the next steps. Okay, our next step will be retrieve sample values for a given column. To do this, we will use the following query. What does this code do is just getting top 10 distinct values from a name column in department table. And then, after applying some conversions, just packs that 10 record set into a single record, where values are delimited with a vertical pipe. For now, let's just leave this code alone, we will use it later. Next thing we need to do is getting data size for a single column. It's easy to do with the data length function. Let's look at the code. This code gives us a data size in megabytes. So you see that the total size of data in carrier tracking number column of sales order detail table is about 1.4 megabytes. Well, I hope you've already got the idea. In our temporary table with the total list of columns, every record represents different column. And in order to get sample values and data size for each of them, we'll need to somehow execute the previous queries one by one for each column. For that purpose, we will use a cursor. Let's look how to code it. So here is how it works. With parameterized queries we used for getting sample values and data size. You see that schema name, table name, column name, and data type are passed as variables. The SQL variable stores the text of our select statement, and the sp execute SQL procedure is used to run this statement for every row of our cursor. every time we retrieve needed data and update our temporary table T with it. Also, there are some additional temporary tables and some code for progress monitoring. After there are no more records to process in a cursor, we just close it and then get all data in our table T. So now our code is ready and we can just run it. I hope this one was interesting and useful for you. Of course, you may adjust this query as you like. For example, add some additional information from system tables or filter only necessary objects. Also, it's a great idea to extract these results to Excel for further analysis. Thanks for watching.